Alright guys, so in this video, this is just a quick unboxing of a Rexing MTC1 motorcycle dash cam. I'm going to install it on my GSX-R 1000R. I'm just going to unbox it today, just show you what all is included, and let's see what it looks like. Instructions. This did include a 128 gigabyte SanDisk or flat SD card. It also included a 32 gigabit included. We have the dash or display. I actually going to put this in the phone mount until I find a better way to mount it. Alright, so these are the cameras. So one thing I did like about this is it appears these use the GoPro mounting. So that's good. If I choose not to use this, I can use an existing GoPro mount. I like that. Same with the front or rear. I don't know which is which yet. I'm actually kind of excited about mounting these. Alright, so here's the bar mount. And what I noticed when I was looking at this earlier, when I was trying to figure out how to mount all this by the pictures and stuff, is that on a sport bike, there's really little room to mount this. It will run into your windshield or the front fairing. So this does not do me a lot of good on a sport bike. Included GPS module. I don't really know how I'm going to use this yet. I see where you can map your ride, so maybe that'll be something I'll use in the future. What I'm really actually hoping to use this for is just to film my rides in the mountains and always have continuous video, because there have been so many times when I haven't been running video and I missed something I wanted to capture. This is another cool feature that I like besides having a phone app. So there's a remote. A remote to start recording. And what I normally do with things like this is I Velcro this to the tank, which will be very helpful. And then I don't have to figure out where to find it or what button is. I can just use it remotely. So there is USB power, and you can hardwire it to your battery. My biggest concern is being able to mount the cameras inconspicuously and still have a good shot or view. But anyway, that is just for the unboxing. I'm not going to go into the install today. I still have to figure things out. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe, and until next time.